Imagine being stranded during a fierce snowstorm, with outside temperatures plummeting. In 2010, a group of comedians found themselves in this very situation at an airport. Instead of wallowing in despair, they decided to lift spirits. Armed with only their wit and humor, they set up a makeshift stage in the terminal. Travelers weary from delays gathered around, eager for distraction. The comedians shared stories, jokes, and hilarious impersonations, creating a warm atmosphere amid the chaos. Laughter echoed through the cold night, bonding strangers. This impromptu show transformed frustration into joy, proving that humor can shine even in the darkest conditions.